In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this meeting ID is not valid error. Please check and try again on Zoom. So if you are experiencing this error, most likely you are using Zoom SDK. To fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. Now, first, to fix this, you want to make sure that you pass SDK keys and secrets of the app key and app secret to fix this error. So this will be fixed when initialize SDK Zoom with APK and APK secrets are in order. Also, after you have successfully initialized the SDK, if you like to use the token and ZAC to start the meeting, you are supposed to use your APK key and secret. Once you have retrieved the tokens, you can use the tokens to start a meeting if and only if an existing meeting has been successfully scheduled by the user that is associated with the tokens. By following these instructions, now you should be able to use the app without any issue. But even after doing this, should you still have an issue with this, then you want to try and troubleshoot your app before you proceed. To do this, go to settings on your app, and from settings, scroll down and look for apps. From apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name, and here you can see we have our app. First, you'll want to first stop the app and then clear all data, and then clear data, choose clear cache, and then clear all data. You'll need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now everything with your Zoom app should be up and running. But should this not work, then you want to check and ensure that you're not using any VPN or any security or proxy apps that might be causing this issue. You also want to ensure that you have the latest version of this app by updating it. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.